2024 has been an extraordinary year for Medvarsity. Over 2 million healthcare professionals from 13,500 cities worldwide engaged with Medvarsity through courses, medical congresses, online CME events, and simulation workshops. In collaboration with the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and IIT Madras, we launched 21 courses on the prestigious SWAYAM Plus Platform. Medvarsity was awarded a patent by the Government of India for our innovative invention, a device and method to facilitate self-training on hand sterilization. We celebrated receiving the YouTube Silver Play button, surpassing 315,000 subscribers and further solidifying our digital presence in healthcare learning. The Fellowship in Emergency Medicine was granted full international educational accreditation by the Royal College of General Practitioners. Our medical congresses in the GCC region engaged 5,000 doctors, collectively earning over 18,000 DHA CPD credit points in 2024. We also conducted the objective structured clinical examination for the Emergency Medicine Fellowship with 175 students and 10 visiting faculties, reaffirming our commitment to rigorous medical education standards. As we close 2024, we celebrate these milestones and the passion that drives us forward. Thank you to our partners, faculty, and learners for making this journey extraordinary. Here's to a brighter, healthier future together. Because at Medvarsity, we're shaping the future of healthcare education and empowering healthcare professionals to deliver better patient outcomes.